In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get Adobe Premiere Pro installed on your Mac or PC for free. Let's jump in. Start by clicking the link in the description. It will take you straight to Adobe's official site. Once you're there, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll see three options: Individual, Business, and Students and Teachers. For this guide, we'll choose Individual, giving us a 7-day free trial to test the software out, which is the best choice if you're setting it up on one computer. Next, press Continue and enter your email address. Hit Continue again. A quick form will appear asking for your personal info and payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't bill you until your free trial ends. When you're done, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then log in with the email address you just registered. Inside the Creative Cloud app, open the Apps tab. Find Premiere Pro in the list and click Install. And that's all there is to it. Premiere Pro is now installed on your computer and ready to go. Start editing your videos and exploring all the powerful features it offers. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out more tutorials here on Web Tool Zone.